Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add medicine to the period calendar application, so keep track of your medicine intake. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, type in your password. Tap on the plus icon in the middle of, or down below in the middle, that's the third option. Now scroll down till you find the add a medicine section and tap on the plus icon. Here you should select the type of medicine you take, such as contraceptive or other kind of medicine. Here you can turn on notifications if you want to get reminders. You can or you should input the name of your medicine. Then select start date, interval, and duration as well. You can also select the remind time and the quantity that you need to take, and then you can also add a message to your reminder. The default option is time to take Medinex, but you can or your the name of your medicine will appear there, but you can also change it to anything else. Tap on the save button in the upper right corner of the screen if you want to save your changes. So your alarm is turned on now, and you have added your medicine. As you can see, it is indicated here. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.